3 a.m. Your heart is pounding. The house is silent. The world is asleep. But you are wide awake. Because you know something they don't. Right now, in this exact moment, the veil is thin. Your subconscious mind is unguarded. And for the next 8 minutes, you have the power to rewrite your entire future, but only if you are brave enough to stay awake. Let me explain what is actually happening at 3 a.m. Between 3 and 5 a.m., your brain enters what neuroscientists call the theta window. Theta brain waves 4 to 8 hertz are the frequency of deep meditation, hypnosis, and the subconscious mind. This is the same state shamans enter during ritual, the same state monks access after years of practice. But here is the gift. You don't need years of training. You just need to wake up at 3 a.m. At this hour, your logical mind, the one that doubts, resists, and overthinks, is still asleep. Your subconscious is wide open, unguarded, programmable. This is why prayer at 3 a.m. feels different. Why are your dreams so vivid? Ancient cultures knew this. They called it Brahma Muhurta, the creator's hour, the time when the universe listens. But in 2026, we are so obsessed with productivity, optimization, and grinding that we have forgotten the most powerful work happens in silence, in stillness at 3 a.m. And if you have been manifesting during the day, when your brain is in beta, when stress is high, when distractions are everywhere, you have been trying to reprogram your subconscious with the worst tool possible. You have been screaming at a locked door. 3 a.m. is when the door opens. But here is the problem. Most of you will never use this. You will hear this, think that is interesting, and go back to manifesting the way you always have. Rushed morning affirmations while brushing your teeth, visualizations squeezed between meetings, gratitude journals written while half watching Netflix, and then you wonder why nothing changes. Let me tell you the hard truth. Listen to this. Your manifestations are not failing because the universe is not listening. They are failing because you are not listening. Your conscious mind is a gatekeeper. It filters everything. It says that is unrealistic. You don't deserve that. Remember, last time you failed, and every time you try to manifest in broad daylight, that gatekeeper is standing at the door, arms crossed, blocking everything. But at 3 a.m., the gatekeeper is asleep, and that's when you can sleep new beliefs, new identities, new realities directly into your subconscious. No resistance, no doubt, no ego, just pure creation. But most people are too comfortable, too attached to their 8 hours of sleep, too lazy to sacrifice comfort for miracles. And that is fine, because while they are sleeping, you will be manifesting. So here is what you are going to do tonight, not tomorrow, not next week. Tonight, you are going to set an alarm for 3 a.m. and when it goes off, you are not hitting snooze, you are getting up. Here is the protocol. Step 1. Don't turn on bright lights. Stay in the theta state. Use candlelight, moonlight, or a dim lamp. Your brain needs to stay in that liminal space between sleep and waking. Step 2. Sit in silence for 2 minutes. Just breathe. Feel the stillness. And this is sacred time. The world is asleep. You are alone with the infinite. Step 3. Visualize your manifestation, not from your current self, from your future self. Close your eyes, see it, feel it, hear it, taste it. Don't think about it, experience it. Your subconscious does not know the difference between imagination and reality. At 3 a.m. in theta state, you're installing the future. Step 4. Speak it into existence. Say your affirmations out loud, slowly, with certainty. I am, and your manifestation, not I will be, not I want to be, I am. Present tense, done deal. Step 5. Write it down. One sentence. Your manifestation as if it is already happened. I'm so grateful now that. Then go back to sleep. That is it. 8 minutes, maybe 10. But in those 8 minutes, you have bypassed every mental block, every limiting belief, every ounce of self-sabotage. You have spoken directly to your subconscious. And your subconscious, it always listens at 3 a.m. Now, here is the twist nobody tells you. You don't have to do this every day. In fact, doing it every day might dilute it. The 3 a.m. ritual works because it is rare, it is intentional, it is sacred. Do it once a week or during new moons or when you are at a crossroads and need clarity. This is not about grinding, it is about precision. One focused 3 a.m. session is worth 30 days of half-assessed daytime affirmations. Because at 3 a.m. you are not just manifesting, you are becoming. You are shedding the old identity. You are stepping into the new one. And here is what is going to happen. In the days after your first 3 a.m. session, you will notice something strange. Synchronicities, coincidences, opportunities appearing out of nowhere. People will say, you seem different because you are different. You have reprogrammed yourself at the deepest level, and the universe has no choice but to rearrange itself around your frequency. That is not magic. That is neuroscience. That is quantum physics. That is manifestation done right. So let me ask you, what would your life look like if you stopped manifesting like everyone else? What if you stopped doing it the way Instagram gurus told you to do? What if you stopped wishing and started commanding? 3 a.m. is your age. It is the hour the universe gives to those brave enough to sacrifice comfort for creation. Most people will never do this. They will keep manifesting in the noise, in the distraction, in the beta brainwave chaos of everyday life. But not you. You are different. You are watching this video right now. That is not an accident. You were meant to find this. And tonight, when that alarm goes off at 3 a.m., you are going to prove it. You are going to sit in that silence. You are going to visualize your future. You are going to speak it into existence. And 30 days from now, you are going to look back and realize that was the night everything changed. Not because of luck, not because of timing, because you learned the secret that separates the dreamers from the creators. The world belongs to those who wake up at 3 a.m. Set your alarm right now before you forget, before the doubt creeps in. 3 a.m. tonight. And if this hit you, don't just like it, apply it. Drop a moan in the comments if you are doing this tonight, and subscribe, because in the next video I am revealing the morning ritual that locks in your 3 a.m. manifestation so it does not fade by noon. Your future self is waiting. See you at 3 a.m.